Good morning. We're here today at Frank's Pontiac Parts, and we have a 1965 Tempest two-door post or sedan car body shell. I'm going to go ahead and walk around this, kind of show it to you a little bit, and then I'll go back and do some detail. Now, this car had 91,000 original miles, and though it wasn't a pristine car, it was definitely something that somebody loved and enjoyed. Used to go to car shows, and we found stuff like that showing that inside the car. It was in a collision, a front-end collision, pretty heavy front-end collision. Bent the frame way up into the cowl. Didn't seem to hurt the body too bad, but the body is damaged, and I'll show you that. The car was totaled. It does have a salvage title. Now, if you've got a GTO or a LeMans and you wanted to go ahead and either purchase all the body panels at once or maybe use this as a replacement body, that would be a really good thing to do. So, this is a California car. It's pretty much very rust-free body, but it does have rust. It's an old car, so there is going to be some things. There is no rust on the outer surfaces, so everything that you see is white is in great condition. There's no bubbles, nothing on the roof, no rust on the quarter panels, no signs of repairs. He did do some weird things to the package tray. There's some extra holes for speakers and whatnot. That was all hidden. The window track in the back here looks good, but the far side right there's got a hole. Kind of see. There's a little water sitting in there. We had rain last night. The whole area around the trunk where the seal goes is perfect. The trunk floor is shot. Definitely needs a trunk floor. You can see inside the quarter panels it's not full of Bondo or body work. And I don't have to answer that phone. There's somebody in the office to answer that, so that's not my job today. Okay, and you can kind of see the back here as well. Super, super nice, really, considering, you know. And okay, so again, now the roof's perfectly straight. No kids have been jumping on it. Quarter panel, super, super nice. It's really a shame that this happened, but it was a junked car before we got it, and we got it without the front clip. The gentleman was hoping that he could make some money on it, trying to sell it to somebody at the swap meet, and that just didn't work out. He eventually posted it on Facebook for several rounds before offered it up to us. So we don't always get them the first try. But anyway, you can see where they always rust up here, not too bad. Looks like there's just a couple small holes right there. Definitely fixable. You wouldn't replace that panel, you would just fix it. Now the accident area is right here. The frame was pushed so hard that it dented right there. And there's actually a hole in the bottom of that where the column shift linkage bracket stuffed through the floor. But from what we can tell, there's no buckles anywhere on the body, so I'm thinking it's really good. I mean, 91,000 original miles, what a shame. But there's the hole, you can see the buckle on the floor. We probably could have popped that out some with a dead blow or a big rubber mallet, but that's for everyone else to do. So anyway, there you have it. 1965 Tempest body shell. Now this is for local pickup only. We're happy to load it onto your trailer or whatever, a friend's truck, but this is not something that we're offering shipping on. We would have to build a complete full pallet on it. When they don't have a frame, shipping gets bloody expensive. So it's just not something we're offering. But we have had people drive out from, Wisconsin, from Texas, from Indiana, and pick these cars up. And honestly, nowadays, it's cheaper and there's nothing like a good road trip. We're right outside Joshua Tree National Park, and so it gives you a really good vacation, something to do. You can kind of see right there, that hill behind us is Joshua Tree National Park, and I don't know if you can see, but that rock straight ahead, it's called Indian Head. It looks like a Pontiac hood ornament. So anyway, that's where we are. So 1965 Pontiac Tempest 2-door sedan, available for sale at frankspontiacparts.com.